Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. Before we start with our video, I would like to share something with you. So, I hope all of you will be staying indoors. You are not going out. Please wear mask whenever you go outside for any work, and as you come back, please immediately wash your hands with soap or with the sanitizer. Please keep your surroundings neat and tidy. Take bath 2 times in a day and see that you don't eat junk food. Eat the food prepared at home. Please follow these things and obey your parents. So this video is for class 3, subject grammar. Let us read a thought. The more you read, the more things you know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. So what is the meaning of this thought? That when you read more, you will learn new things. So always keep reading new books, because whenever you read more, you will learn new things, as I told you. And when you learn more, then you will go to new places. You will visit new places. When you learn, you will get to know about new places around you. So please keep reading so that your knowledge will increase. The topics that we are going to cover in today's video, that is vocabulary 1, similes. We have already started with this topic in the previous video, and today we will have the recap of the previous video. In short, we will just have a glance what we have learnt in the previous video. Then we will solve some worksheets based on similes. Some interesting new worksheets I have brought for you. So let us start with vocabulary 1, similes, recap of the previous video. So what are similes? We had seen similes are something which are used for comparison. So what are they? What does it mean? Does it sound like any other word? Does it sound like smiley? Then we had seen what is a simile. We had fun with similes. So we had learnt these two keywords, like, as. These are the two important keywords, like and as. It is there in simile. Simile is a comparison of two things using the words like or as. So when you compare two words using like or as, it is called simile. For example, as sweet as a pie, as colorful as crayons. These are two similes which we use for comparison. See, something which is very sweet, we say sweet as a pie. Something which is very colorful, we say colorful as crayons. We can also say colorful as rainbow. Then we had seen when two things are compared using like or as. For example, sweet as honeybee, roar like a lion means very sweet, and roar like a lion means shout very loudly. Examples of the similes: busy as a bee, sparkle like diamonds, hungry as bear, float flat as pancake, hard as rock. These are the examples which we had seen in the previous video. Then we had seen similes. So what is a simile? Comparing two things using the word like or as, that is simile. Then we had seen one more example. We had seen so many pictures in the previous video. Let us have a look. As playful as kitten. See how playful the kitten is, how mischievous the kitten is. So you can say the boy, the child is as playful as kitten, means very playful, very mischievous. Then we are like two peas in the pod, means look exactly alike, look exactly same. So the twin brothers are like two peas in the pod, they look exactly alike. Then we had seen as brave as lion, means very brave, very energetic, strong person. Then as big as an elephant means very big, you can say very fat person. So you can say my cousin is as big as an elephant, means very big. His size means his stomach is very big. Then as cold as ice means very cold. Something which is very cold, you say as cold as ice. The atmosphere is as cold as ice, means it is very cold. Then we had seen as bright as the sun means very bright, shining and very happy like sun. Then as smart as an owl means very smart, very intelligent person. Then giraffes are tall like trees. See, the height of the giraffe and tree is almost the same. So you can say one of my cousins is as tall as a giraffe, means very tall. And giraffe and tree, their similarity is that they are tall. Giraffe is also tall, tree is also tall. So giraffes are as tall like trees. Then similarly, one more example we had seen. This pizza is as cold as ice, means very very cold, which you cannot eat, very cold. Then we had seen poem. I am as quick as cheetah, my eyes are as blue as the ocean, my ears can hear like a rabbit, my brain is smart as a scientist, my nose can smell like a bear, my heart is as big as an elephant. Then we had seen one example, like this person's nose is like a bulb and eyes are like the blue sky. So this is called simile, which we compare two things. Now let us solve some worksheets based on similes, means comparing two things. We have to write the answers in the blanks. Let us do it. First one, as light as a dash. See, these are feathers. Do you know feathers? Even birds have this. So feathers are very light in weight. They are not at all heavy. So as light as a feather. What is the spelling of feather? F-E-A-T-H-E-R, feather, and we put it in the blank over here. As light as a feather means very light. Like you can say my bag is as light as a feather, means it is not at all heavy. You can carry your bag easily because there is only one book in it. So it is very light in weight. So my bag is as light as a feather. Next, number 2, as sweet as dash. So something which is very sweet, right? You call that thing sweet. What is this? This is honey, because honey is we get from honey bee, and that is also very sweet. So something which is very sweet, you can say as sweet as a honey. So what is the spelling of honey? Let us write H-O-N-E-Y, honey. That is the spelling of honey, and we put it in the blank over here. As sweet as honey. So can you say anything which is very sweet? You eat something which is very sweet. So what is very sweet? Chocolate. Chocolates are very sweet. Am I right? So you can compare chocolates with honey. The sweetness, the similarity is their sweetness. So we can say chocolate is as sweet as honey. Means very very sweet in taste. Then next one. What is given? As bald as an dash. So bald means the upper surface is flat. And what do you understand by this meaning? When you talk about any person, you can say that person is bald. Bald means that person has no hair or has very little hair on his head. So bald means who has no hair or very little hair. That kind of person is bald. So as bald as an dash. So what is this? This is egg. So let us write the spelling E-double-G, egg. As bald as an egg. That is our answer. And we put it in the blank. As bald as an egg. Because egg is also flat. It has no hair on the top. Same, if you talk about a person who has no hair, you can say he is as bald as an egg. Means his head is flat. He has no hair on his head. Next. As cunning as a dash. Cunning means very smart. You can say chalak in Hindi. Cunning, who is lot of intelligence he has, and he will cheat any person and he will achieve his goal. So as I told you, the cunning, fox is very cunning kind of creature, and we can say wolf or fox. This animal can cheat any other animal and can get what he wants. So the person can also be cunning. The person can also be a cheater. A person can cheat anyone and he gets what he wants. So that person, you can say that boy is as cunning as a fox. Can you see this animal? Fox. Fox is also very cunning. You have to be very careful with fox. So what is the spelling of fox? Let us write F-O-X. Cunning. Cunning like a fox, you can say. Let us put it in the blank over here. The boy is as cunning as a fox. Means he is very cunning. He is very sharp. You have to be very careful with that boy. Next. As blind as a dash. So what is this? Can you see this animal? So do you know the name of this animal? This is a bat, B-A-T, bat. Not the cricket bat, but the name of this is bat. So as blind as a bat means very blind. He cannot see at all. Let us write the spelling B-A-T, bat, and I put it in the blank over here. As blind as a bat means the person who cannot see at all. We can say that the girl is as blind as a bat means the girl cannot see at all. She has lost her eyes and she cannot see anything at all. As blind as a bat means very very blind person. Next, as busy as a dash. So what can you see over here? The thing which gives us honey. So what can you see? It is a bee. As busy as a bee. Let us write the spelling B-E-E, bee. That is our answer. So what is the meaning of this simile? The meaning of this simile is that someone who is very busy, who has no time to do any other thing. So you can say my father is as busy as a bee, means he is very busy and he does not have time for anything else except for his work. So as busy as a bee. Next one. As hungry as a dash. See, when you are very hungry, you have not eaten since morning, right? You want to eat something and you cannot control yourself. So you can say as hungry as a wolf. See this animal. Can you identify this animal? It is a wolf. So what is the spelling? W-O-L-F, wolf, and I put it in the blank. So as hungry as a wolf means you could eat a lot. You are hungry since morning, now it is evening and you haven't eaten anything. So you tell your mother, mother, give me some food. I am as hungry as a wolf means you could eat a lot. Means you are very very hungry. Then what is given? As cool as a dash. So what can you see? Can you identify this? What is this thing? This is cucumber. So as cool as a cucumber. Cucumber has lot of water. It makes our body cool. It provides water to our body. So someone who is very cool, you can say as cool as a cucumber. So do you know the spelling of cucumber? Let us write C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. That is the spelling and I put it over here in the blank. As cool as a cucumber means the person who is very cool, has no other worries, he stays very cool and calm in all the situations. He is not afraid, he is not worried. So you can say that man is as cool as a cucumber means very very cool, very calm person. Next, what is given? As steady as a dash. So steady, what do you mean by steady? Means it is not at all moving. See, can you move this heavy rock? No, it will not move. It will be only at one place. It will not move at all. So it is as steady as a rock. Means very steady. It will not move at all. So let us write the spelling. What is the spelling? R-O-C-K, as steady as a rock. Rock means the heavy stone which is not movable easily. It will not move unless heavy force is applied on it. So you can say that statue is as steady as a rock, means that statue is not moving at all. It is very heavy and you cannot move it. It is solid. As you can see, the rock is also solid. The stone is also solid. So you can say as steady as a rock. Next one. As quick as dash. Quick means very fast. You can say the speed of something. So what do you see this coming from the sky? Especially right now it is rainy season, you might have observed. What is this that comes from sky of this white color? It is lightning. Lightning comes from the sky, especially in monsoon season when it is raining heavily. You see lightning in the sky and it is very fast. Just within fraction of second, just within 1 second you see lightning, it will go away. So it is very quick, very fast. So let us write the spelling. Do you know the spelling of lightning? Let us write the spelling L-I-G-H-T-N-I-N-G, lightning, and I put it over here in the blank. As quick as the lightning. So very quick. You can say the car passed by me as quick as lightning, means the speed of the car was a lot. The great speed of the car you can describe with this word, with this simile. The car's speed was as quick as lightning, means within 1 second it went past you very fast. You could not even see the color of the car. That much fast the car went past you. Then you can say the dog ran as quick as lightning, means the dog ran very fast. So what is the meaning of this simile? Means very fast. Then what is given? As swift as a dash. So again, the meaning of swift, this word means fast. Now can you identify this animal? Have you heard the name of this animal in any story, like with tortoise and a hare? Remember the story name? So this is a hare. So let us write what is the spelling of hare. H-A-R-E, hare. So I am writing the spelling for you. H-A-R-E, hare, and I put it in the blank. So H-A-R-E, hare, this is the name of the animal. And do you know its speciality of this animal? It is very, very fast. The speed of the hare is a great speed. You might have heard the story of a hare and a tortoise, in which the tortoise won the race because hare was resting under the tree. So that story is very famous story which is heard by all the children. So as swift as a hare means very, very fast. Again we can take the same example. Now let us take the example of a bike. The bike went as swiftly as a hare. So it went very fast. For example, there was a bike race. So you can say one of the bikers went as swift as a hare, means his bike was very fast. The speed of his bike was a lot. So that is the meaning. As swift as a hare means extremely fast, at a great speed. Next, what is given? As heavy as a dash. So can you name any one thing which is very heavy, which is not light, like light as a feather? So heavy as a lead. So let us write lead is very heavy as a lead, because it is very heavy thing. Lead is very heavy. You can say the box is as heavy as a lead, means it is very, very heavy. You cannot lift that box. Or you can say my bag is as heavy as a lead, means you cannot lift your bag easily. It is very much heavy. Next, what is given? As like as to dash. So two things which are same. So you can say as like as dash. When two things are same, we say two peas in the pod. Remember we had just seen the image in the starting of the video. We are same like the two peas in the pod, means all these peas which are in this pod, the outer covering, see all these peas are the same. So let us write the spelling of peas. What is the spelling? P-E-A-S, peas. I am writing the spelling of peas. Peas means here the peas which are in the pod, they look same. Are they? Yes, they are all the same. So as like as two peas. You can say both the twin brothers are as like as two peas in the pod, means they look same. They appear same, their looks are same, their face structure, everything is same. So as like as two peas in the pod means they look the same. They are not at all different in their looks. Then what is given? As timid as a dash. Timid means what? The person who will not talk to other person very easily. He is afraid or he is very shy, right? Timid means very shy. Like the girl is a timid girl, means very shy girl. She cannot talk to the strangers. She only talks to her family members. So the girl is very timid, means very shy. Mostly some children are very timid. Like when you were very young, you did not talk to everyone, right? You only talk to your family members, and you cannot talk to strangers because you don't know them. So those who are timid, they are shy. They don't talk to people very easily. When you know people, then you talk to people. But do you talk to unknown people? No, you don't talk to unknown people because you are timid. You are shy. So as timid as a deer. This is deer. So let us write the spelling. What is the spelling? D-E-E-R, deer. See, here is the spelling, the name of the animal. This animal, deer, is also very timid. It is very shy. When you go near, it will run away because it is shy, like a small child. As timid as a deer. Then next one. What is given? As proud as a dash. So do you identify this? National bird? Yes, we all know this. It is a peacock. What is the spelling? P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock, our national bird. We all know it, right? So as proud as the peacock. Peacock is very proud because it has colorful wings and feathers, and it is most important bird for our country. right? It is very beautiful, and especially in monsoon season you see peacocks dancing. The feathers are very long and very beautiful. Peacock has, see, blue color and also green color. So as proud as peacock means peacock is very proud, very happy about his looks. It looks very different from all other birds. And do you know the meaning of proud? Again, you can say honored. We give respect to this bird because it is our national bird. It is respected. So proud means respected, given honor. So as proud as peacock. And can you make sentence with this simile? You can say the businessman is as proud as peacock because the businessman is well known. All the people give respect to that businessman. So he is famous. So we can say that businessman is as proud as peacock means he is very, very proud of himself. Next one, what is given? As gentle as a dash. So can you see this cute little animal? Do you know the name? This is a lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. It is the young one of sheep. It is very gentle, means very kind, and it will never harm anyone, and it will run away if you go near. It is gentle animal, means very kind, and it will not hurt anyone, not harm anyone. So what is the spelling? L-A-M-B, lamb. Lamb is the young one of the sheep. So as gentle as the lamb means it is very, very kind little cute animal. It will never hurt anyone. It will never bite anyone. It will be very kind. It can play with you if you are very good with this animal. It will also be kind with you, but it will never hurt anyone. So can you make a sentence with this? We can say as gentle as a lamb means very kind person. So we can say my mother is as gentle as a lamb means she is very kind person. She is always helpful and always soft and polite with everyone. So my mother is as gentle as a lamb. Next one. Now what is given? As sick as a dash. So sick means when you are not well. Suppose a person has fever or person is feeling cold. He is admitted. So we can say as sick as a dog. So what is the spelling of dog? Let us write the spelling. D-O-G, dog. I am writing the spelling over here. D-O-G, dog. And I put it in the blank. As sick as a dog means very, very sick. The person is not at all well. So when your teacher asks you, why were you absent yesterday? So you can give the reason. Ma'am, I was absent because I was as sick as a dog. Means I was very sick. I was having fever, so I did not come to school yesterday. I was as sick as a dog. Means I was very, very sick. Then what is given? As green as dash. So everyone, all of you know this. What is this? This is green color, grass. So let us write the spelling. What is the spelling of grass? G-R-A-S-S, grass. And I put it in the blank over here. As green as a grass. Because grass is very green. We all know that grass, color of the grass is green. So something which is very green, you can say that thing is as green as a grass. Do you know anything which is green color? Yes, the trees. Trees are also of green color, right? So we can say the tree is as green as the grass. Means it is very, very green in color. You can also say the tennis ball. It is green color from outside. Have you seen tennis ball? So you can say the tennis ball is as green as a grass. Means it is of green color. A dark green color you can say. The tennis ball is as green as the grass. The tall tree is as green as grass. Both are the correct sentences. Now what is given? Last one. As flat as a dash. See, can you see this thing? What is this thing? It is a cake. Do you know this? The name of this cake? It is a pancake. We have already studied in English. Pancakes. Lesson number 1. Max's words. So we have studied the name. This is pancake. So let us write the spelling. P-A-N-C-A-K-E. Pancake. And put it in the blank. So what is the meaning of flat? Do you know the meaning of flat? See, it is horizontal. There is no up and down. So this is not rough. It is a flat surface. It is opposite of rough. Rough means up and down, with up and down, but it is flat. It is not rough surface. It is not uneven. It is flat. It is straight, as you can see. Horizontal. It is not with ups and downs. So pancake is a flat surface, just like the floor of the house. How the floor of the house is flat? The surface is flat. It is not rough. It is not uneven. It is not with up and down. Just like the bad road. When you go on the bad road, it is very rough road with up and down. Right? You cannot drive the vehicle. But when the road is flat, it is straight. You can drive the vehicle easily. You can reach your place very fast. So it is as flat as pancake, means very flat. Very flat means not rough at all. As flat as pancake. So you can say the road on which I am riding is as flat as pancake, means it is very flat. I can ride my bicycle easily. Now let us circle the similes. It is a fun game. We have to circle the similes. See what is given? Circle the similes. We have to find the similes in the sentence and we have to circle. So first one, what is given? You were as brave as lion. So can you see the simile over here? Where is the simile? Over here. As brave as lion. So what is the meaning of brave? Very energetic person and very fearless person who is not afraid at all. So you are as brave as lion means you are very brave, you have lot of energy. Then what is given? He is as strong as an ox, means very strong. Do you see this animal? It is very strong. It has lot of energy. It can throw anyone. We should not go near ox while it is angry. So it is very strong animal. So what is the simile over here? As strong as an ox means very strong. He is as strong as an ox means that person is very strong. He has a lot of energy and you cannot defeat that person. He is lot of energy in him. Next, what is given? This house is as clean as a whistle. So do you know this whistle? You can blow whistle and it will produce sweet sound. So as clean as a whistle means very clean. It is not at all dirty from inside. So let us circle the simile as clean as a whistle. This is our answer. You can also talk about your classroom. My classroom is as clean as a whistle. My school is as clean as a whistle. My room is as clean as a whistle means it is very clean, not at all dirty from inside. Then next one, what is given? My little sister works as slow as a turtle. So tortoise is very slow. Remember I told you about hare and the tortoise? So very slow person. You can say that person is like a tortoise. So as slow as a tortoise. As slow as a turtle means very slow person who does the work in a very lazy manner. Next, what is given? My brother is as cunning as a fox means he is very smart, he is very sharp and he can do anything. He can even cheat anyone for achieving success. So as cunning as a fox means very cunning, very smart person and you have to be very careful with that kind of person. As cunning as fox. Next one, what is given? The car was as fast as Cheetah. Now you know Cheetah is famous for his speed. He runs very fast. So same way the car was very fast like Cheetah means the car ran fast on the road. So let us circle as fast as Cheetah means very fast. The speed is great. Next, what is given? My mom is as busy as a bee means my mom doesn't have time at all. She is very busy with her work in the kitchen. So she is as busy as the bee means she is very busy in her household chores. She is not at all free for a minute. Next, what is given? The boy in my class is as funny as a clown. Have you seen this clown? Do you know what is the meaning of clown? Means joker. How we laugh seeing the joker, he is very funny. So as funny as a clown. Let us circle the simile. As funny as a clown means that boy is very comedy person. He makes others laugh like how Joker makes us laugh in the circus. Same way the boy is also as funny as a clown. As funny as the Joker. Next, what is given? I am feeling as sick as a dog means I am very sick. See, I have a lot of fever. So I am as sick as a dog means I am not at all well. I cannot go anywhere. I need rest. As sick as a dog means very sick person. Then last one, what is given? He is really smart. He is as wise as an owl means he is very smart, he is very intelligent. So you can say as wise as an owl. Let us circle the simile as wise as an owl. And what is the meaning of this? Means very smart person, very intelligent person, as wise as an owl. So in today's video, we revised lesson 1 similes, and we saw the previous videos revision, and we solved some interesting worksheets based on simile. All of you take care of yourself, and we will meet with a new video.